Here we have y is equal to log base 4 2 sine x minus x cubed. If we have log, but it's not natural log, then use the property of logarithm. Let's say we have y is equal to log base bx. And this log can be written as log x over log b. For this base right here, it could be any base I choose. So if I write e here, then this is going to be equal to natural log x over natural log b. This is called the change of base formula. So this function can be written as y is equal to natural log 2 sine x minus x cubed over natural log 4. And since natural log 4 is constant, this is just a number, okay? So this function can be written as 1 over natural log 4 times natural log 2 sine x minus x cubed. Now let's find the derivative of this function. So y prime is equal to constant, leave it alone. So 1 over natural log 4 times derivative of this function right here. Since we have natural log 1 over 2 sine x minus x cubed times chain rule. We have to multiply by the derivative of this expression, right? So that's 2 cosine x minus 3x squared.